Jinx. A person or thing that brings bad luck. Example: they believed the black cat was a jinx. Goons. Thugs or violent criminals. Example: the crime boss sent his goons to intimidate the witnesses. Traitor. A person who betrays someone or something. Example: he was branded a traitor for leaking secrets. Gullible. Easily fooled or cheated. Example: the gullible tourist believed every word of the scammer. Hypocrite. A person who acts in contradiction to their stated beliefs. Example: calling him a liar was hypocritical of her. Crap. Something of very poor quality. Example: the movie was just a bunch of crap. Trepidation. Feeling of fear or agitation about something that may happen. Example: he entered the haunted house with trepidation. Foppish. Excessively concerned with clothes and appearance. Example: she was foppish, always dressed in the latest fashion. Yokel. A country person with little education or experience. Example: the sophisticated city dwellers mocked the yokel's accent. Verbose. Using more words than needed. Example: his verbose speech bored the audience. Grumpy. Bad-tempered and irritable. Example: the old man was always grumpy in the morning. Hooligans. Young people who engage in noisy and violent behavior. Example: the hooligans vandalized the park. Rude. Not polite, offensive. Example: it was rude of him to interrupt her. Swat. A person who studies very hard. Example: he was a swat, always seen with a book. Manipulate. Control or influence someone or something unfairly. Example: he tried to manipulate his friends into doing his homework. Picky. Very careful about choosing or accepting things. Example: she is picky about her food. Bizarre. Very strange or unusual. Example: the clown's costume was bizarre. Stigma. A mark of disgrace associated with a particular circumstance. Example: there is a stigma attached to mental illness. Compromise. An agreement where each side makes concessions. Example: they reached a compromise on the issue. Coincidence. A situation where events happen at the same time by chance. Example: it was just a coincidence that they met at the same cafe. Persuade. Cause someone to do something through reasoning or argument. Example: she persuaded him to take the job. Rapturous. Expressing great joy or pleasure. Example: the audience gave a rapturous applause. Locality. A particular neighborhood, place, or district. Example: the park is a favorite spot in the locality. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.